Today we're taking this hideous recliner and turning it into this. Get him, Leonard.
Look, it's even very durable. All right, down.
Today I'm going to surprise my husband with this very colorful chair cover for his recliner. If he doesn't like the colors though, he can flip it over to the other side, which has a plain color. The seller did send this to us in exchange for a video. However, all of the views and opinions in this video are my own. In order to secure this, you can adjust these straps, which I'm going to have to do because this chair is quite large. Then you can tuck it behind the arms and bring it around the back. And around the back, there are these little button loops. Then there's this other piece that you tuck underneath and tie these two together. So when it's done, it should look like this. What's really nice about this is that both sides have pockets. And if you just want the plain version, there's the gray side. All you have to do is flip it upside down or around. All you have to do is flip it around and you can have the gray side with these pockets. So let's see what he thinks about the colorful one.
You put that couch cover, chair cover on my chair. Oh, look at how decorative that is. It just brightens up the whole room, gosh darn it. It looks like a birthday cake. Happy birthday to me. I get to sit. We should have had this thing earlier and sooner. Look at this. This is fun. This is great.
It's even got pockets.
This. It's got pockets. Oh, holy gee whiz. It's got pockets. It's got, oh, we could put it. Oh, then that's our dog. He loves it too, clearly. And the neat part about it is that, if I can find it, it covers most of that hideousness up down there. Is it dog approved? Yes.